Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about sea urchins. I hope you, my friend, know what this creature is. You can find them both underwater and near the beach. And you can also find them in the reef. They are typically spiny, globular animals. There are about 950 species living on the seabed. Sea urchins are spineless animals and they belong to the sub-Echinodermata species and the Echinodermata phylum. There are both male and female swans, but the males are smaller than the female. They are herbivore or also called autograzer, which means seaweed eater. They can have two forms, globular and hard form. The globular ones have their mouth and tube teeth on their bottom side, and on their upper side, their reproduction organs and their excretory system. The internal structure is divided in 5 sections, which are all identical to each other. Now, let's move on to the reproduction. When the mating season comes, the male sea urchin will release sperms and the female will release eggs. And they both will leave the sperms and eggs to be freely broken away by the current to fertilize ultimately. There are millions of eggs and sperms which will eat plankton from how tiny they are. After about a week, the baby urchin will sink to the seabed and grow. Let's talk about their danger side. Most of them are poisonless. Their spines are composed by calcium, limestone, and protein casein. And let's talk about first aid. What you should do when you touch their spines. Well, if you get stung by this, you'll have to either pull it out or just rub it until it loses color under your skin and it will disappear in 2-3 days. Some examples of poisonous sea urchins are the flower urchin, also called Toxoneustes piledus, and the fire urchin. Both of them have pedicellaria, which are similar to flower pollen, and they are located between their spines. They contain venom. If you ever make contact with them, go quickly to the hospital. Let's talk about their taste. They are a little briny but not overly salty. Fresh ones are a bit sweet with an ocean flavor and an iron and pink taste on the tongue. There's a strong mineral. The older ones feel slimy on the tongue and quickly become very bitter. Now, let's talk about uni. I hope you also know what uni is. They are the Japanese sushi that use as an ingredient the sea urchins. The yellow part inside sea urchins is very expensive and it's the male and female reproduction organ. The male is more tasty and expensive than females. You should try it, my friend. It is worth it. And expensive. It's a high-class food. Let's move on to how sea urchins survive from their predator. They protect themselves from predators. They will react immediately if something sharp touches their shell, and they will point all of their spine toward the area being poked. They are light sensitive, then it is no surprise why they are nocturnal. Their natural enemy are sea oysters and sea turtles.